channel, and today we are gonna be meeting my dog Ace, and he is a pit bull dog. He is probably one of the oldest dogs right now. He is 13 right now. He's a pit bull. Most pit bulls live until 9 to 11 years old, but he went over 2 years, guys. This is like insane. So if you guys have any dogs that is older, a pit bull that's older right now, please leave a comment and like tell me who the name of your dog is. And this is gonna be fun, huh, Ace? It's gonna be fun. Look at you, Ace, Ace. Look at me. There you are. Say hello, Ace. Oh, are you right, doggy? Are you right, Ace? You are? Oh, and he's a boy, obviously. And, yeah. I just want to show you my dog and how old he was and stuff. And not just that, and I just want make videos and stuff for fun, and just whole meaning of just pretty much just to have fun is what I think, and just do your best. And I always think positive in my personality, because some people say, why are you weird and stuff, and they say stop being like that. No, I am not gonna stop being like that, because I am not weird. I might be weird, but this is how I am. And I'm not gonna change it. And I'm a really good person, and I have a good character set and stuff. And if you guys agree, you don't have to agree, or you can disagree or agree. It don't matter. It won't hurt my feelings at all, because it's just who I am, and I'm not gonna stop. Okay, anyways, the main reason why I recorded this video is to meet my dog named Ace. Oh, look at this! Oh, look at this! Oh, guess what he can do, guys? Alright, handshake. Like this, Ace. Handshake. Look it. Handshake. Like this. Handshake. Oh. He loves handshakes, guys. Handshake, Ace. Handshake. You don't want a handshake? Okay. Oh, you want to give me a handshake? Oh, you want me to scratch your belly? Okay, I will scratch your belly. Alright, I got a little overcarried right there, guys. Oh my gosh, I touched his tongue on accident. I didn't mean to. You probably got rabies or something. Hopefully not. You don't. No, you don't got. No, you don't got rabies. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay. Yeah, that just got weird. But anyways. Oh gosh, sorry. The main job why I made the video today is to meet my dog named Ace. He's a pit bull. Listen again. Oh goodness. Tonight I'm gonna be making a video. It's gonna be at the bowling alley or somewhere. Okay? And I promise you I will make a video tonight. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Woo!